this is a special edition because it's for the Portage District Library, featuring who?
Laura, next door.
Yes, our favorite neighbor. All right, so here we go. We're going to make this ice cream.
Homemade ice cream.
Yep, and the most important ingredient that we're going to start is milk. Does the body good.
Salt, sugar, ice cubes, vanilla.
Yeah, we'll detail all that. And measuring cups.
Measuring cups.
Okay, so we start out with 1 cup milk. Now, I'm using fat-free skim milk. It's recommended.
Gross to you, but it comes from cows. Don't worry.
That's right.
No cows were harmed.
No cows were harmed in this. Thank you. Okay, so Joey, I need you to listen. We're using skim milk, but it's highly recommended that you use vitamin D milk or half and half. It gives it a creamier texture. This still works fine, but I think the other ones are more delicious. We just didn't have those available. Okay, so the next thing, Joey.
Can we churn?
We actually are not gonna churn it. Can you hold this? Okay, hold it right over the container.
I'll pretend to drink it.
Okay, put it right over the container. Okay, I'm gonna put a half teaspoon of vanilla. Okay, dump it in. Dump it in. There you go. Awesome. Yep, stir it around. Okay.
This is how we make butter.
Yep.
Stir it right out all the way. That's how we make butter.
Okay, that's good. That's good.
We're supposed to make butter.
Next one. We are gonna put in a very important ingredient called sugar. And for this one, we're going to need 2 tablespoons of sugar, okay? Not salt. I almost grabbed the salt there. Okay,
that could have been gross.
That could have been pretty gross. All right, and we have Domino sugar here today. All right, we're going to do 1 tablespoon.
Can I do it?
Joey. Can I do it? Here, go ahead. Dump it in. Oh, you want to taste it. How is it? You want to do your job of stirring that up, Joey? Go ahead. Stir it up. All right. Very good. Beautiful. Okay, so now what you're going to do is you're going to take your cup measurement here.
This is how we make chocolate milk.
Well, if we had chocolate syrup, we could do that. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to pour the milk into the baggie.
What are you going to do with it?
Pour it in there. Make sure all the sugar comes out of there too. There's a little bit of sugar left behind.
Can I see?
There we go. That sugar is very important. We'll get to the salt next. That's coming. Okay. So what you want to do, just a little bit. Okay. So what you want to do is try to get the air out of the baggie. So do the best you can. It doesn't have to be perfect. Seal it up like this. So you have your milk, sugar, and vanilla in this baggie right here. Set that aside. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to get 3 cups of salt, or 3 cups of ice. Let's do the ice first, Joe. Actually, can you wait on that? Okay, you can fill that up. This is a 1/3 cup of salt. While you're doing that, I'll get this going here. All right. And you're actually not going to eat the ice or the salt. That's what a lot of people get scared of. So you got 3 cups of ice.
Oh, that could have been bad.
Doesn't have to be perfect.
On the table.
Okay. That's okay. We can clean it up later. Is that salt good, Joe? All right.
Ocean salt, if you're wondering.
Yeah, sea salt from the sea.
Oh, I need ice cream now.
Okay, hold on. Okay, this is
ice cream.
Okay, here. This is about 3 cups of ice, give or take. Okay, and then what you do is you take your 1/3 cup of salt and you put it in here. This is what creates the endothermic reaction. Salt melts the ice. As the ice is melting, it's transferring that energy into the baggie of milk, sugar, and vanilla. So what we're going to do here is we're going to place our milk, vanilla, and sugar in here. Seal up both bags. Seal up the top bag. And we're going to give it a good shake for about 5 minutes. Okay, here we go. And then, Joey.
I'm gonna give it to you. Ready? Pick it up. Does that help me out? Pick it up.
Give me 5 more shakes. 5 more shakes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Okay.
That's cold.
Beautiful. Okay, good news, guys. We have made ice cream.
Ew.
All right.
That's gross.
It looks gross. However,
This is gross to you.
here, take a spoon. Try it. What do you think?
Good.
That is so good. Tastes like a milkshake. Again, if you use half and half ice cream or half and half milk.
Can we make some more, Dad?
Well, let's finish this. That was a product of an endothermic reaction where heat was absorbed
My
in the cold.
pork's like it, see?
Yes. So, hopefully you enjoyed this
Video.
informational, fun, educational science video.
And please like and subscribe. Have a good day.
Thank you very much.